Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde, and today we're going to talk about what you should buy from Limelight by Alcone. Because you know what? A friend or loved one is selling it, and you've got to figure out what you should get to support them. So I'm going to help you. Stay tuned. Okay, so you've seen the videos. You've watched them put on their Facebook Live videos and put on their makeup and show you all their new products, but you're like, what should I get for me? What should I get? I want to support my friends, so what should I buy? So I'm going to tell you, I've got a few ideas for you. Okay, let's start off with the lip glosses. Okay, their signature lip glosses are so pretty, you have to have one. It comes with a little mirror on the back, it's sparkly, and you know, just pick a color. One of them that you typically get. Like this is really fun, this is a little dark, I have it on today. What else? Do I have any more? No, these are the only two I had. I tried on a bunch. My sister-in-law sells it, so I tried on some at her house. They're really fun. They're really beautiful. You can't go wrong because they're just like any other one. They're about $18. They smell fantastic. This one smells like vanilla cupcakes, and this one's got like a candy smell. And this one was joy. This one's joy, and this one's dream. And this one's got like a different, like fruity. Oh, I don't know. It's just so good to smell. All right. So do beware if you don't like smells in your lipstick. They fade away right after you put them on. But at first, it's a nice smell. All right. So get that. Definitely, if you use eyeliner at all, you must get the perfect eyeliner. It has the finest tip. It's like a marker, and it just draws like, I mean, amazing. Thin and fine line, and you can thicken it up, and it's nice and dark. You absolutely can't go wrong. There's another $18. So if you're just don't want to spend too much money, get these two things. Get yourself a lipstick and an eyeliner. Warning, this comes in a pretty little package. This just comes wrapped in plastic. So it's like when you get it, it's not like the biggest happiness, joy thing like the packaging, but it works so well, you're going to love it. So $18, $36 with shipping, you're at $39, and you've supported your friend, and you're gonna see this and it's gonna look all happy and pretty, and you remind yourself that you supported your friend and you got something good for yourself. Got something good for yourself as well. All right, now we're gonna go to the next thing that I really recommend would be their concealer. And it's not like fun like lip gloss, but their concealers are really awesome. I mean, they don't settle. I have, you know, lots of skin problems, and they're for under eye. They're not for covering up pimples or anything. They don't work well, at least for me, at all there. But under the eye, no creasing, just amazing coverage, and I just can't say enough about how much I love these. I have not tried the Shape Tape that everybody's talking about. I've tried like so many others, and this is my favorite, but I have not tried Shape Tape. They're $24. You can't go wrong. Kat Aragon has a video that like describes each color and what it's best for. Basically, this is shade 1. It's kind of greenish. It cancels out red. This is what? 3 and 2. And 2 is a really nice brightening one. Anyway, watch some other videos, figure out which color you want. Watch some other videos, figure out which one you want. They're really good thing to buy. The fourth thing I recommend buying is the Enduring Lip Color in this color, Macaroon. The other colors are really nice, but this one's like a really nice neutral color that pretty much everyone would like, and if you want to get one, get this. So like say you like really swinging for it. You're really supporting your friend. You are going to get these 4 things for $80, but anyway, you will be happy with them. You can't go wrong. Let's talk about the other things I think you should with reservation get. Things like their setting sprays. This is a primer spray. They contain alcohol, so if that doesn't bother you, they're really good products. But if you need a pressed powder, it's a fantastic item. I wouldn't say like you have to go out and get it, but I have rosacea and sensitive skin. This gives me no problems, gives a nice finish, helps makeup last longer, really like it. Okay, and the last thing that you might want is their mascara. It works great. It doesn't irritate my sensitive eyes. Liken it to the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. That was my favorite favorite mascara before switching to this one. Will I repurchase Limelight's mascara? Probably not. I'll probably go back to Better Than Sex for a while and see how long that lasts, and maybe I'll probably alternate between the two unless I find something else I like. So that's it. So basically, you really should get the eyeliner. Get the lip gloss. They're going to make you happy. If you need a concealer, get a concealer and an enduring lip color, but stay away from most of the rest of it because it's questionable unless you get the chance to sit down and try all the items out. But if you're just watching this, people on Facebook put on their makeup, stick with the stuff that works and is going to make you happy and not make you sad and not give you any problems. I'm Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. If you like my video, please like it. If you find it helpful, leave a comment or subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.